CIC, Canon 1084. Paragraph 1 says that antecedent and perpetual impotence to have sexual intercourse, whether on the part of the man or on that of the woman, whether absolute or relative, by its very nature invalidates marriage. Impotence means the incapacity to perform the marital act. It is the incapacity for having normal sexual intercourse. It can exist in the male or female. In the male, impotence means inability for erection of the penis and penetration of the vagina, or inability for ejaculation in the vagina, premature ejaculation being a common complaint. In the female, impotence means that she is incapable of receiving the erect penis of the husband, that is, vaginism. Impotence may be organic or functional. The distinction is based on the nature of the causes underlying the impotent condition. Organic impotence is due to some physical cause, due to malformation of genitals. Organic impotence is so called because its origin is in physical or anatomical defects in the sexual organs. For example, lack of penis, abnormally sized one, which hinders insertion. Vagina without sufficient length and width to receive the erect penis. Functional impotence can result from physical or psychic causes. For example, hormonal deficiency, paraplegia caused by injury to the central nervous system, a kind of paralysis of lower parts, psychological factors, inhibitions, sexual deviations, aversion, etc. Functional impotence is generally physiological or neurological and psychic. Psychic impotence means inability to obtain or sustain erection, and excessive excitability causing premature ejaculation. Inability to ejaculate during the intercourse. In female, when she suffers from vaginism, that is, painful contraction of muscles of vagina when it is touched, and which renders intercourse impossible. Impotence can be absolute or relative. Absolute impotence prevents martial act with all persons. Relative impotence prevents it with certain person or persons. To be invalidating, the impotence must be both antecedent, that is, it must be existing before the marriage, and perpetual, that is, the condition of impotence is such that it cannot be cured by ordinary means. Extraordinary means, such as miracle, illicit means, danger to one's life, serious harm to health, are excluded. CIC, Canon 1084, paragraph 2 says that if the impediment of impotence is doubtful, whether the doubt be one of law or one of fact, the marriage is not to be prevented, nor, while the doubt persists, is it to be declared null. If the doubt exists before marriage, the marriage cannot be celebrated until there is an investigation of the facts that create the doubt. If the doubt still remains, marriage can be celebrated provided the other party is informed. If, after the marriage, impotence is detected, marriage is in favor of validity until the contrary is proved before an ecclesiastical tribunal. In this case, to establish non-consummation is easier than to demonstrate impotence. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to Canon Law Explained for more videos on marriage.